This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Loretta Martin. Seller's loss your gain. Custom built west/upgrades, very open floor plan, great room west fireplace opens to kitchen and breakfast room, 4 bedrooms all one level, 2 baths, kitchen stainless steel appliances, separate island west/cabinets and stainless steel sink, Moen faucet, and Veggie sprayer, exterior James Hardie siding with brick features, gutters, 30-year arch shingles. Covered patio overlooks sodded yard. Home is a smart home QOLSYS IQ panel, alarm app, Honeywell T6 ROZ-Wave thermostat. For more information, review the details below or contact Loretta Martin at 901-861-4808.